Hello kids! Welcome to Shiv Anandi's world. I am Anandi and today we are going to learn counting from 1 to 100. Are you ready? Let's start counting together. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, 31, 32, 33, 34, 35, 36, 37, 38, 39, 40, 41, 42, 43, 44, 45, 46, 47, 48, 49, 50, 51, 52, 53, 54, 55, 56, 57, 58, 59, 60,
61, 62, 63, 64, 65,
66, 67, 68, 69, 70, 71, 72, 73, 74, 75, 76, 77, 78, 79, 80, 81, 82, 83, 84, 85, 86, 87, 88, 89, 90, 91,
92,
93, 94, 95, 96, 97, 98, 99, 100.
Oh, we did it! We counted all the way from 1 to 100.
You all did amazing! I'm so proud of you. If you enjoyed learning with me don't forget to like, share and subscribe to Shiv Anandi's world. See you in the next video. Bye-bye.